Hi, today I'll show you how to see recent photos and videos you've liked on Instagram. To see the 300 most recent photos you've liked, tap on your profile or your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Tap More Options in the top right, then tap on Your Activity. Tap on Interactions, then tap on Likes. Tap the post or video that you'd like to view. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe for more updates.